Police and protesters lighting up the night sky. Over the weekend, 59 officers injured and 47 people arrested. Police declaring a riot due to the
It's 9:10 under the moonlight in my car. I drive real far, not sure where I should go. The empty road's all that I know. The night is dark, but awakens the stars. Neon flashes on the roadside. I stop my car at a desert bar. The sign says welcome inside. I say to the waitress, take off your mask, show me your pretty face. She smiles and says, aren't you afraid? Haven't you seen the TV? She says, yeah, the news is real bad, but they made it that way. They divided us. Don't let them make a fool out of you and me. I'm a mother, I'm a father, I'm a son and a daughter. I'm a friend, I'm a neighbor. I'm not one to be afraid of. There's no left, there's no right. There's only love for you and I. There's no left, there's no right. Only love for you and I. Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? All eyes on the TV screen. The politician sings his pony song.
I will die for you. I will give you what you need. If only you vote for me. If only you hope for me. If only you vote for me. Vote for me.
In the dark corner, there is a singer. Eyes filled with love, eyes filled with anger. The spotlight is on. She embraces the microphone, whispering, close your eyes, leave your troubles behind. There's no joy without tears, and there's no hope without fear. There's no love without hate here. There's no disappointment without expectation. There's no opinion without confrontation. It's only nature laying low. Admitting wrong, close your eyes, sing along. I'm a mother, I'm a father,